Hi everyone, and welcome to Speech 101 Online. My name is Marissa Surdike. I'll be your instructor for the next few weeks here. I wanted to begin by kind of taking you around the course and kind of teaching you how to navigate it. Some of you may have taken online courses before, so this may seem redundant, but a lot of you have not. So I just wanted to show you where to access things and how to begin an online course. Okay, there's plenty of resources for you throughout, so you can always use the Open SUNY Help Desk right here is there for you if you have any questions on how to actually use Blackboard. Blackboard Help is right here as well. Okay, so let's start here. This is our homepage. Every week I post an announcement, kind of details what you will be doing that week and what's expected of you, what assignments are due. So make sure that you are reading those announcements very carefully. I may change things up from the schedule, not often, but sometimes it does happen based on timing. So make sure that you are reading those course announcements every week. And if I post, a special announcement during the week as well. So to begin the course, you will start here. So I'm going to click on that for you real quick. You'll see an introduction video other than this one. It kind of is a supplemental video of this that you're watching right now. But so go ahead and watch that next. And this kind of details how you get started in the course. So go ahead and read this. One thing I do want to point out to you is course communication. I am always available via email. I'm very responsive to email. I'm highlighting my email right here for you. So please do not hesitate to email me at all. You also have another option to contact me, and that is over here in the left-hand side of your screen, the Ask a Question area. So if you click on that, you'll see it looks like a discussion thread. You'll just create a thread and ask a question. One thing I want you to note is that everybody can see this. So this is usually a good area to ask questions that might, have something to do with assignments and are less personal. Anything that's individualized question, I would suggest writing an email to me as that information is private. Okay, so after you've kind of looked throughout these, here's your course resources. Course information, syllabus, and schedule. As I state in the second video that you will watch, this is very, very important. Okay, make sure you are downloading the syllabus, printing the syllabus, downloading the schedule, and printing the schedule. The schedule in particular is something that we will reference all the time in this class. It details what is due each day of the week and each week. Okay, so that's something to familiarize yourself with so that you aren't falling behind or missing assignments. I do not accept late assignments because everything is spelled out for you specifically. Of course, if there's something, an emergency comes up, please email me, contact me. This is a communication class, so if you communicate with me, we will try to work something out that is convenient for both of us. So I do suggest reading the Smart Student Strategies. It kind of provides some strategies for how to get work done, and I know that it's hard to balance between work and school and all of your other responsibilities at home. So there are just some, posts about being an effective online student. It's not easy, I understand that, but it is a requirement of you and a responsibility of you to make sure that you have your work done on time each week. So then you have your policies and resources, the college website, OWL Purdue, which is an APA citation resource for you. You'll use this for once we get into our outlines when you're actually citing external sources. Okay, so from here, here's my instructor information, so you can click on this if you forget about my email, which is right there, and there's a picture of me over there actually on the Spanish steps this past May in Rome. Okay, so moving on, all learning modules are housed right here. The Ask a Question area is also right here, so there's two places to get to that. Your learning modules is where all your content is going to be. Okay, so this is very important. We'll be here every week throughout the semester here. So if you look down here, this is all of your learning modules together, and then it is broken up into the different weeks per module. Okay, so for this week, you will begin with the icebreaker activities where it says begin here, and you'll go right into module 1. So both of these modules are due this week by July 14th. Okay, so make sure that you are doing both of those for this week. Moving forward, you just have one module per week. Okay, and if you look here, you can see what dates each module is open for. Okay, so this first module is open from July 8th to July 14th. Within each of these, I'm not going to go through them right now, but if you click on each of them, that is where you'll find all the content, all of the assignments, all of the discussion posts. So this is really where you are going to find all of your resources for this class. Okay, course messages is right here. That is another way to contact me. Again, I highly suggest contacting me through email, as you will get the quickest response from me. However, this is an option as well. Make sure that if you are emailing me through email, make sure that it's your NCCC email instead of a personal email, please. Starfish, Blackboard Help, your grades, you can send an email just by clicking right here. The Open SUNY Help Desk, like I mentioned before, if you have any challenges finding something or learning how to post an assignment, although there is a link provided for you in the course as well, you can always contact them with any questions. And last but not least, the discussion grading rubric. This is very important for you to follow, as most of the modules do contain a discussion post, so make sure that you are meeting those requirements in order to earn full credit for those assignments that do count for a very large portion of your grade. Okay, so that about concludes the navigation video, and if you have any questions about anything, please feel free to email me right here, and I'll look forward to talking to you a little bit more in Module 1. All right, have a great week.